Nano Banana Pro is insane for making AI cinematic videos. With just couple hours of my time, I have made this epic Marvel showdown, Avengers vs Doctor Doom. And in this video, I will break down how I did it. First, watch the video.
This is the end, kid.
Look at your friends.
Did you miss me, Peter?
Mr. Stark!
Kid, I am Dr. Doom. Tony Stark is dead.
So, I have always been inspired by epic Marvel battles like Infinity War, Endgames. And what if now that we have the Pro version of Nano Banana with sharper details, insane prompt, and better character consistency, I just knew it was the time to make the cinematic sequence. If we combine Nano Banana with tools like Veo3.1, then it can make for some insane animation. So let me just start by breaking this down. Now, the first step to getting started with AI generation is storyboarding. I got inspired by Marvel, What If series, and you know how great their alternate timeline stories are. So I wanted to create a dramatic scene with multiple characters and huge plot twist. We have Doctor Doom, Spider-Man. Now for each of them, they all have their own iconic thing. You know, we have Doctor Doom with his menacing presence and metal mask. We have Spider-Man with his shock expression. I want to have close-ups, wide shots, because this is a story-driven sequence. So we are going from the battlefield aftermath to Doctor Doom mask removal, then to Spider-Man reaction. We are going to use Nano Banana Pro, and I'm using Higgsfield for this. So if you want to try this out yourself, I will leave the link for Higgsfield in the description down below. Now, Higgsfield provides you all the latest image generation model as well as video generation model, and the pricing is also less compared to other platforms. Simply go to the image section here, and here you will find Nano Banana Pro. Click on it. For the first shot, I want to start with wide shot of Doctor Doom standing victorious on a destroyed battlefield. So for the first prompt, I went with this. You can copy this prompt. You will find all this prompt given in the description. So here you can see a dramatic wide angle shot of Doctor Doom, and you can pause the video and you can check this up. And here, first of all, we will just go and select this ratio. So I want 16:9 ratio. Then you can check the quality. Nano Banana Pro gives you quality in 4K as well as 2K and 1K. I will go with 4K here, and you can generate up to 4 images at one point of time. And here, this is unlimited option. Then you will not lose any kind of credit. You can do it completely for free. But here you will able to generate only one image at a time. Now, once everything is set, just go and click on generate, and you can see the output. So let's go one by one here. This is a mask of Doctor Doom, and it looks so realistic. And this is, you can see the costume and everything fits so well. And you can see in this third image, you can see this is a suit of Iron Man. So this is not perfect. I would like to go with this one because this looks very heroic, very powerful, and it shows that just Doctor Doom had a fight with someone. That's why there's so many marks on his bodysuit. Also in this image, this looks so good. Now let me show you the power of Nano Banana. So I'm basically adding a whole lot of different details. So anything you want to have in there to make it more realistic, you can add it. For example, I will take this suit, I will just click and hold, drag it in the prompt section, and I will give a very simple prompt here. I want close-up look of Doctor Doom with side angle, and simply let's go and click on generate. Now let's see the output. And as you can see here, this is perfect side angle close-up look of Doctor Doom, and everything in the background is so consistent. It captures the epic scale and dramatic atmosphere. It has a dark, moody cinematic aesthetic, and we also have a deep contrast images. Besides, if you want to upgrade the quality, you can simply go with 4K, or if you want to edit something more, then simply just go and click on edit prompt, add your image here, and you can edit each and everything. You have to experiment a lot with the images because you will not get the perfect image in the first try. Now that shot gave me the image. This is pretty much the start image that sets the tone for the entire sequence. So the next thing I want to do is I want to get a closer look of Spider-Man Tom with the Tom Holland face looking in the eyes of Doctor Doom, because he is so shocked that who is this person, and Doctor Doom is having a conversation with Spider-Man. So let's create this one. You will get the prompt in the description, and here you can see the prompt: a young Spider-Man style superhero, mask removed, full face of fear and desperation. And you can pause the video and you can check the entire prompt here, I will remove each and every image. And there's a very much important thing here. For example, I like this image, so I will just drag and drop it here because I want the exact same background. So I will give the prompt here that give me the same background, keep everything same, and let's click on generate and let's see the output. Oh my goodness, you can see how realistic Spider-Man is looking, and you can see the expression, the emotion is so perfect. And in the same image, everything looks so good and high contrast with the deep background, the scale, and you can see here the sapphire coming up from the side, and you can see the eyes of Tom Holland and he's crying so badly. Now we will follow the same process and we will create our next image. Now the next image is basically I want some other Avengers, for example Ant-Man, Black Panther, died and lied on the ground, and they are defeated completely by Dr. Doom. I did the same thing here. I entered the prompt, I gave the background of Spider-Man here, and let's go and click on generate and check this output. Oh my goodness, this is so realistic, so perfect, and this image looks so cool because here we can see that Ant-Man have got completely defeated and he's lying on the ground completely dead, right? And same with this image here and this image. So you can generate some series of images like this. Let's move on the next one. All right, so here is the prompt of Thor. I want Thor, that is Chris Hemsworth, to be almost in the verge of dying, and let's click on generate. All right, see the output. This output is so perfect. As you can see here on this shield, you can see there's a fire lightning. This is cause of Dr. Doom magic, and you can see here he is calling his hammer, but somehow he has no power left in him. That's why he is in the verge of dying and completely defeated. This looks so realistic, so I will go with this one. All right, now we have already shown two heroes. I want to show one more, and that is Black Panther. You can see this prompt here. I will just go and click on generate. Now here is our Black Panther, and this looks almost defeated in the second image, and this is the third image, and this looks so perfect. The lightning, the atmosphere is exactly same what we wanted. I will just go and click on download. Now I want a closer look of Dr. Doom face, so that's why I added this image, and I want the consistent background of Spider-Man, so I also added the same image here. Now here I will give a very simple prompt, and here you can see I gave a very simple natural prompt: create a closer look of Dr. Doom face of first image with second image background, and let's click on generate. And here you can see the output is very good, and you can see here this looks so nice. And I don't know why Dr. Doom is thinking here, but yeah, this image looks so perfect. Now I want to create a side angle of it. To create a side angle, click and hold, drag the image here and enter the prompt. I want closer look of Dr. Doom with side angle, and let's click on generate. And here you can see this is the output of side angle, and this looks so perfect. I would like to get this image. Now here we are at the most interesting part of the video. When Dr. Doom remove his mask, there should be a face of Tony Stark, I mean the real Robert Downey Jr. And this is the output, right? This looks so good, and I would like to go with this image. Now with the same process, you can see here I have created the images of every angle, every shot, and which you can see over your screen. So now we are switching over to video. So let's go to the Higgsfield. Here you will find this option of video. Now to create a video, you can go with Google Veo3.1 or some other video generation model. So let's click on Google Veo3.1 here. Now once you're here, as you can see, we can add 2 frames. This is how we can create our cinematics. So I will simply go and click on start frame. I will add the first image of Dr. Doom. Now I want a closure look of Dr. Doom while Dr. Doom is speaking something. So I will just go and click on end frame, and here I will add the second image. Once done, simply give the prompt. You can find the prompt in the description, and here you can see a slow cinematic zoom on Dr. Doom, and then this is the script. This is the end card. The zoom continues closure, and he says something more. Look at your friends, right? And then we will select this model. You can go with some other video generation model. I would like to go with Google Veo 3.1. Select the quality, the ratio, and the duration, and then click on generate.
This is the end, kid.
Look at the output. The camera zooms so perfectly into the face of Dr. Doom metallic, the reflection, the background music, and Dr. Doom is saying, this is the end kid. This is so dramatic. Now I will do the same thing with Spider-Man shocked reaction, but this time I added an emotional moment. The prompt is, you can see here Spider-Man close up showing shock, the white eyes lenses slightly widening even more. So I have added some detail by using ChatGPT, and I added only a single image of Spider-Man. And let's click on generate. And looking at this result, I'm super pleased with how it turned out. Like we can see this emotion in the eyes of Spider-Man Tom Holland, the subtle movement, the disbelief. You can feel Spider-Man's shock. So this is one of the easy shots, which are close-up reaction shots. Now let's do a bit more difficult. This time we are creating motion and action. And depending on what your character is doing, it could pretty easy or it could be super hard. And after a few tries, I got the result. You can see these are some of the bad trials, bad output, and this is one of the best one which I found.
Did you miss me, Peter? Miss me, Peter.
This looks like a slow-mo cinematic reveal from an actual Marvel movie. This works pretty well. Now here comes the last part. If you combine all the shots in any editing tool, it could be CapCut, Premiere Pro, anything, and just add some music and this cinematic music, the shots, some edits, and then we are done. And I have done this with Marvel characters. You can do this with any type. It could be sports ad, it could be something else. Just take this as an inspiration and try to experiment. You can do with Star Wars, anime characters. If you want to try this out yourself, then I will leave a link in the description of Higgsfield where you can have unlimited generation of Nano Banana Pro. And if you want to be creative, then this is the best use of Nano Banana which I have found out, and you can check out this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.